Hello YouTubers, millionaires, multi-millionaires, future millionaires. My name is Ali. On this channel we talk about making money online, using the internet, leveraging the internet, using affiliate marketing. If this is something you're interested in, please click that subscribe button and continue on watching. Today's video is going to be pretty short. For those of you guys that want to quit your 9-to-5 and start an online business and get trained by the best, not having to pay anything for it, I'm going to have a link below that's going to show you exactly that. Russell Brunson, if you guys are familiar with him, he's a billionaire. He's been doing affiliate marketing for quite a long time. He knows everything there is to know about affiliate marketing. He knows YouTube marketing, Facebook marketing, you name it. He knows all the platforms. He doesn't know it himself, but he's got people that will actually do that for him, and he's going to have those people that are experts in those fields going to teach you how to do this. So if you're interested in gaining all that knowledge and not having to pay anything for it and learn it from a billionaire, I'm going to have a link for you guys below. Click on it and get started today. It's absolutely incredible. And what he has done is put a 100 days training. He called it affiliate boot camp, and it's 100 days of training. So basically by January of next year, you'll be on your way of 2022, you'll be on your way to quitting your job and start your laptop lifestyle. So basically anytime, anywhere you have access to internet and you have your computer with you, you should be able to work. You could be on a beach, you could be on a bus, you could be on an RV traveling, you could be anywhere, at a friend's house, and you could still be working. You don't have to be tied up to one place. But the thing I want you guys to understand here, the information that Russ put together, he took 30 millionaires or 15 millionaires that actually implemented his training and used Clickfunnels to basically scale up their business. And he's going to have all these guys show you step by step how they did it from day 1 to day 30, and they show you exactly how in 30 days you should be able to basically become create an income that will allow you to quit your 9-to-5. So these guys walk the walk and talk the talk. They did it all. They know what they're doing, and they're going to train you themselves on how to go about implementing the system. So you may not click with one millionaire, but you might click with another millionaire. You might see a certain strategy that will actually resonate with you with one millionaire, but not another one. Or maybe you can have a combination of a couple millionaires. But the most important thing, when you start watching these millionaires explain how to do it, you're going to see a sense of like a pattern. Basically, they all follow the same pattern. And it's basically Russell Brunson's teaching. If you do what Russell says, you will definitely quit your 9-to-5 and start an online business, start making a lot of money. And everything I'm offering you guys for free, it's offered by Russell Brunson. The link is below, by the way. That's all I have for you guys. I'm going to keep it real short. If you're serious about quitting your 9-to-5, and if you're on the budget and you don't have money to pay for courses, you can pay time. You can invest time into this. So the offer that I have for you guys is 100% legit, and it built a lot of, I mean, hundreds upon hundreds of millionaires, and you can be part of that too. Maybe thousands. I don't know how many there is. But also, I'm going to have a link below for if you want to become an affiliate to Clickfunnels, if you want to promote it too, and start making anywhere from 40 to 120 bucks a day promoting Clickfunnels, which is really easy to do. It's an incredible software, and it's the easiest. It's most user friendly. Allows you to build basically a website or a landing page or a welcome page, whatever you will call it. They have a lot of names for it. It doesn't matter. It allows you to basically build your social presence really fast. So I wish you guys the best luck. This is all I have for you. I love you. I believe in you. I know you guys can do it. Don't forget the links below. If you're new to my channel, Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Tick that bell icon so you don't miss out on any videos. And if you've gotten any value out of this video, please share it. Best of luck to you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. If you have any comments at all, leave them below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you guys and get you started. All right, this is all free. It's not going to cost you anything, guys. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Remember to take action. 2022 is coming in a couple days. If you don't start taking action, you're going to be right where you are right now next year. Nothing's going to change. Start taking action for your sake, for your children's sake, for the people that you love, for anybody for whatever dream that you want to achieve. Start taking action, guys. It's all free. The link's below. Have a wonderful day, and the best of luck. Bye-bye.